Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok too many attempts. If you're using TikTok and you're having the issue that you have made too many attempts and now you want to fix the issue, so the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have that, you have to open your TikTok and then retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for TikTok. And once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here, or if you have any update like that, you have to try to update your TikTok app. And once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, you just have to open your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, go for TikTok, try to offload your app, then tap on offload app, because sometimes it might be that your TikTok app includes some bugs into your, so you just have to offload your app, then tap on the reinstall app option, and the app will completely reinstall into your phone. If your TikTok have any bugs, so it will fix in this step. And once your app has been reinstalled, you can now easily try to log in, or if whatever you want to do. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're having the issue that you have too many attempts on your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.